right in the middle of the Mediterranean, we are stepping into the heart of Malta's capital, Valletta. This city may be the smallest capital in the European Union, but let me tell you, it's bursting with history, culture, and surprises around every cobblestone corner. With 320 monuments, all within an area of 55 hectares, make it one of the most concentrated historic areas in the world. So buckle up and join us for an unforgettable day in Valletta. But before we begin, if you're as excited about exploring new places as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future adventures. Our journey begins at the iconic Triton Fountain, which welcomes us before entering the city gate. This fountain serves as a symbol of the connection of the Maltese islands to the Mediterranean Sea, setting the stage for the wonders ahead. Now, it's time to pass through the Valletta city gate. On the right, the Parliament of Malta welcomes us. Just moments away from the Parliament of Malta, you can find the Hastings Garden. This enchanting oasis offers not only a breath of fresh air, but also panoramic views that stretch across Valletta's charming skyline. Let the serene atmosphere immerse you in the beauty of this hidden gem, providing the perfect pause before we continue our exploration of Valletta's wonders. Climbing up to the Upper Barrakka Gardens, get ready for another spectacular treat for the eyes, because the Grand Harbour unfolds like a living canvas. From here, you can witness the impressive saluting battery, a historic artillery platform firing its cannons in a ritual that echoes through time.
Fire!
Passing through the Victoria Gate, a portal to Valletta's history opens ahead, paving the way to the wonders that await us, including St. Johns Co Cathedral, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. We highly recommend exploring the cathedral's interior, where the true marvels unfold. The contrast between the simple facade and the opulent interior, adorned with intricate details and Caravaggio's masterpieces, is truly astonishing, making it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. Time for a delightful break at Café Cordina, a well-established family-run business steeped in history, located right near the Queen Victoria statue. What sets this place apart isn't just its mouth-watering traditional pasticci, it's also the enchanting ambience within. Picture this, an opulent hall with vaulted ceilings and frescoes, making your dining experience as visually pleasing as it is flavorful. Let's continue our Valletta journey and head to the scenic Lower Barrakka Gardens and the poignant Siege Belvoir Memorial, where history and nature converge in a breathtaking setting. The Siege Belvoir Memorial stands as a powerful tribute to Malta's resilience during World War II, symbolizing the courageous efforts and sacrifices of those who fought and died for the island during this tumultuous period in history. While enjoying the panoramic views of the Grand Harbour, you can even catch the noonday firing of the saluting battery. Now, if time allows, consider exploring St. Paul's Cathedral and Casa Rocca Piccola, both significant landmarks with rich histories. If not, no worries. As you head back to Valletta City Gate, take a leisurely walk along the Republic Street. It's a bustling street lined with shops, cafes, and a vibrant atmosphere, offering a perfect way to round off your day in this historical city. And there you have it, a day filled with history, culture, and culinary delights in Valletta. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more adventures, and leave a comment on your favorite part of our Valletta exploration. Until next time, happy travels!